Well, into Fort Wayne police today defending their response to a large rally held on Saturday evening at a major shopping mall complex in the fort. They say the fact they didn't know the event was coming and that it happened on private property delayed efforts to disperse the crowd. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Jeff Newmeyer is live at Glenbrook Commons with an update. Jeff.
Yeah, Tom, Linda, Glenbrook Commons and Glenbrook Mall. Further to the east, really, they were taken over Saturday evening by a huge diesel truck rally. An estimated 1,000 trucks were present, couple of thousand people gathered. Police say there was no evidence of vandalism or building damage from the rally other than burnout marks in the pavement all over the parking lots here. City police confirmed about 8:45 Saturday is when they were summoned to deal with a disturbance caused by the truck rally. You had trucks squealing tires, fireworks going off, smoke from revving diesel engines, and blocked traffic on streets feeding into the mall properties. Police say they were held up for a while trying to get written documentation from various private property owners to nail down that the rally organizers didn't get permission to hold their event. In a moment, you'll hear from police about a new text message alert sent out in a geo-fenced area to get people to leave or face arrest. First, a manager at a nearby store who felt police were slow to act in getting the situation under control.
They were loud. It was the tires. They had go-karts and everything out here just riding around the parking lot as if they owned the parking lot. Our customers were, asking us what was going on, and we don't even know. This is private property.
And once we found there was a measure in there where we could utilize out of the SWIFT 911, we started the process to make that happen. So we've been working on it since those initial protests. So this is us improving, and I don't think people should be critical at the improvements being made.
Now, the sergeant referring there to the new text alert sent out to the geo-fenced area to get the rally folks to pack up and leave Saturday. Tanasia Collins, who you heard from a moment ago, she feels police cut the rally attendees a break compared to the demonstrators protesting the death of George Floyd downtown. There were no arrests connected to the truck rally. We reached out to Glenbrook Mall and the owners of Glenbrook Commons for comment about what happened Saturday night. So far, no response from either.
All right, Jeff Newmeyer reporting live for us tonight. Jeff, thank you.